What does data warehousing allow organization to achieve? Data warehousing. What is a data warehouse? Data warehouse defined. A data warehouse is a type of data management system that is designed to enable and support business intelligence by activities, especially analytics. Data warehouses are solely intended to perform queries and analysis and often contain large amounts of historical data. The data within a data warehouse is usually derived from a wide range of sources such as application log files and transaction applications. A data warehouse centralizes and consolidates large amounts of data from multiple sources. Its analytical capabilities allow organizations to derive valuable business insights from their data to improve decision-making. Over time, it builds a historical record that can be invaluable to data scientists and business analysts. Because of these capabilities, a data warehouse can be considered an organization's single source of truth. A typical data warehouse often includes the following elements: a relational database to store and manage data and extraction, loading, and transformation (ELT), solution for preparing the data for analysis, statistical analysis, reporting, and data mining capabilities, client analysis tools for visualizing and presenting data to business users, other, more sophisticated analytical applications that generate actionable information by applying data science and artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms, or graph and spatial features that enable more kinds of analysis of data.